Hey everyone, in this quick tech how-to video, I'm going to show you how you can easily turn off the ability for others to comment on your Facebook posts. This is an easy workaround instead of the other options that show you how to change the commenting ability to friends only. This way, we'll only allow tagged profiles to post, but we won't tag any profiles. Also, I'm going to be showing you this on the desktop site, but it's the same on the mobile. To do this, find the post that you want to turn off commenting for. I'll switch over to another account so we can see what this post looks like as another user. You see that the comment option is here at the bottom. Back to my main account where I originally posted this, choose the three dots on the top right and then select who can comment on your post. Inside of here, change this option to profiles and pages that you mention. Now if you haven't tagged any other profiles or pages, no one is going to be able to comment on this post. And even if you have, only those people would be able to comment anyways. When you're finished, hit done. I'll go ahead now and switch back over to the other account and find the post again. And this time, you'll see that the commenting option has been removed and a note that says that I've limited who can comment on the post. And that's an easy trick to turn off commenting on your Facebook posts. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more quick tech how-to videos.